Hey everybody, it's Miss Day. So I understand that some of you have just started my class. So you missed the first 2 weeks, and that's fine. I'm going to show you what you need to do to get caught up. So if you go down to modules, this is where you will see all the assignments. I'm trying to put what we're working on now up at the top. So for you guys that have to go back into the earlier weeks, we need to scroll down here. From week 1, I would like for you to complete 1.8. As far as the Canvas orientation videos, if you're trying to learn Canvas, you may want to come in here and work on these. So this has all of the different options or parts of Canvas that you might run into where you would need to learn how to operate and move around inside Canvas. Okay. However, the only one that I need from you to take a grade on is 1.8. And 1.8 is right here, Introduction on Flipgrid. So I would like for you to come in here and introduce yourself. Just make a quick video. I'd like for you to tell me your name, your grade, and what your favorite holiday is. So you should be able to click this button, and it should load the Flipgrid and look something like this. And you just come right here and click this. And it will, well, since I'm actually using the camera and the mic for something else, maybe that's why it's looking like that. But it should pop up, give you a countdown, and you can record your video. Here's some examples if you wanted to look. There's mine, if you would like to see my example for you. That's the main thing I need from Module 1, the first week. So as far as anything else in Module 1, it would just be if you wanted to do it, okay? If you want to look at some of this. But the only thing I'm going to do as far as taking a grade is 1.8. That's what I absolutely have to have from you. All right, so let's go back up to week 2. So week 2, last week, we did what is art, and I would like for you to turn in 2 assignments from this module. This is a video that explains the different things going on in the module if you wanted to watch this. But the main thing I want is right here. I want your reflection on why study art, which you will have to watch this video. Watch this video on 2.1. And then I would like for you to give me your reflection of why you think it's important to study art. So you will see this Padlet pop up. All you do is click on this little plus button. It's going to add, click anywhere and drag the files. Click here to post. Okay, I'm clicking. Oh, there we go. Okay. Please make sure I'm logged in so it put my name here. Most of these, though, it doesn't log you in, so you need to put your name. Okay. And then you need to tell me why you think we should study art. So there's my answer. I'm just going to hit enter, and there we go. That's posted in there. That is for a grade. That should be very easy. Watch the video. and then create your post. Again, the video is 2.1. And then the other thing I'd like for you to do is a summative grade. And let's go back here and look at the modules. Okay, the summative is 210. Okay, so here's the summative. Experience your art history project. All right, so what I'm asking you to do here is to give me examples of what you learned from the presentation. So I'd like for you to take photographs of things that you have in your home or in your life that represent examples of each of the 5 purposes of art, and I'd like for you to put those into a Google Doc. And then you will choose either 3, 4, or 5 to add to those slides. If you want to put all of the objects together and put them in one photograph, you may do that and just submit one photo. But you will need to write about the significance of each object and why you were glad that they were created, or you will need to draw each of the objects. Or you could also do number 5, which is write your opinion about which of the 5 purposes of art you believe is most important. And I'd like for you to tell me at least 2 reasons why you feel that that particular purpose of art is the most important. And of course, in order to do this art history project, you are going to need to watch the presentation. And the presentation explore the history and purpose of art. This right here are the notes, if you wanted to look at the notes. This is the presentation that tells you the different purposes of art. The videos after this are more elaborate. They have more information. But this tells you the 5 major purposes, and of course they are artistic expression, ceremonial, functional, persuasive, or narrative. So for your summative assignment, for your major grade, you're going to find objects in your life or in your home that represent each of these. Ceremonial could be a wedding veil. It could be a trophy. So think about what things around you will meet these different requirements. Persuasive is usually something trying to motivate you to do something, like a product, advertising. It could be your favorite box of cereal. Functional, of course, this is going to be the easiest because these are objects that are all around us. Lamps, furniture, all sorts of things. Narrative is something that's going to document historical events or tell a story. And artistic expression is more about showing the beauty of something or communicate some sort of emotion or idea. So it will help you if you watch this presentation, go through it and learn about the different purposes of art. And then, of course, the videos would also be very helpful to you. And I think the videos were, modules. I think the videos were 2. Okay, there's the presentation. It would be beneficial for you to look at this, but it's not a grade. Right here, 2.8. 2.8. This shows you videos that represent the different purposes of art. and that will help you to deepen your understanding. So that's the main thing you need is 1.8, 2.2, 210, and then of course, so after you get those 3 assignments, then you'll be prepared to jump right into week 3. And the only 2 things I'm grading on week 3 are 312 and 313. So let's go back to modules. So week 3, you'll have all of these exercises to go through that give you the information. But then when you get down here, the only thing I'm actually grading is 312, your criticism, and 313, your project. Okay? All right, so as always, if you have any questions, please send me an email, reach out to me. I've also started a Zoom. I am going to have this Zoom up from 9:20 to 3:30 every day. Just pop in and I will let you in, and we can talk about whatever question you have. All right, thank you so much. Good luck. Looking forward to seeing you guys. Bye-bye.